Court has ruled that an April referendum on redrawing 11 congressional districts in favor of Democrats will proceed, even as the court considers whether the entire redistricting process is illegal. Our Cameron Thompson has more from Richmond.
Virginia voters will have the final say on redistricting in Virginia, as they should.
That just shows that we've got to win the referendum and we've got to win in court.
Reaction from Democratic and Republican leadership Friday after the Supreme Court of Virginia said that an April 21st referendum can go ahead, asking voters if Virginia should redraw its congressional map.
It will allow us to go ahead and get the referendum language printed. Those will begin, and we'll be ready to roll.
Democrats want to temporarily redraw Virginia's 11 congressional districts that currently split 6-5 in their favor to one that splits 10-1 in their favor ahead of the 2026 midterms. In response to a Republican lawsuit, a Tazewell Circuit Court judge paused the referendum, saying the process behind it was illegal. But the Supreme Court of Virginia agreed to take up a direct appeal from Democrats and bypass the appeals court because, quote, the case is of such imperative public importance. And while allowing the referendum to proceed, the Supreme Court set up a timeline for arguments in the case that means a ruling will likely come after voters have their say.
I'm confident the Supreme Court will see it as we do.
We believe and we'll ultimately win in court.
Both sides say they're now focused on messaging to Virginians, with Democrats saying it's a needed counter to what Republican-led states and President Donald Trump are doing, while Republicans say it undoes the voters who approved a bipartisan redistricting commission in 2020.
We have no choice but to continue to make sure that Virginia voters are not disenfranchised. When you have a president that's run amok and called on Texas and Missouri and Indiana and North Carolina to redraw maps.
And we feel confident at the end of the day that the same voters who voted for bipartisan redistricting, voting to take politics out of redistricting, will show up.
That's extraordinary for voters to know that they get to make a choice and cast their ballots in April.
For her part, Democratic Governor Abigail Spanberger says it was important that the courts make a quick decision, and now it's up to the voters.
For me, a real priority was that people would know what that temporary redistricting would look like. The draft map is out, and so now it's up to the voters to decide.
Now, while the referendum is set for April 21st, Virginia does have 45 days of early voting, meaning that Virginians can start to cast their ballot on this in less than a month, starting on March 6th. At the state capitol, Cameron Thompson, WTKR News 3.